Guys, I did it again for Bitcoin. I predicted exactly what happened for Bitcoin. It actually was quite easy. Let me show you guys this. We can see this video from a few days ago. Of course, when that massive dump happened, I was predicting that we were going to drop just slightly under this green box, and after that a massive move to the upside. And guess what just happened? A slight drop to the downside just under that green box right here, and then an immediate big pump to the upside, and exactly that is currently happening, what I was predicting. So the question is right now, what am I predicting next? Well, it's actually quite obvious for me right now for Bitcoin, but before I tell you, go into the first link in the description if you want to trade Bitcoin on Bybit, because you can now claim up to $30,000 in free deposit bonuses, $30,000 completely for free simply by signing up using the first link in the description for a crypto exchange. That was actually the exchange I used to trade this massive move to the upside, which made me a lot of money. But now, what am I predicting next? Well, like I said, it's quite obvious. We can right now see, if we look at this chart, that we have already reclaimed this massive area of support. We of course broke down of it. Then this was previously massive support. We broke down, so that was quite bad. However, with 112-hour candle, we immediately broke above it again, which is of course extremely bullish. Now, I'm going to show you guys even more bullish news, and you probably already know which direction this is going to go, but I am actually quite bullish on Bitcoin right now. I don't see any reason why Bitcoin will drop from this level. We just reclaimed this massive area of support we have right here. That first was resistance, immediately turned back into support. Just like here as well. The only downside is that we're trading within the same range again that we've already been trading in for more than 24 days. So that's the only downside. However, oh sorry. However, guys, I'm still a little bit sick, but guys, however, if we once we break out of this massive area of support, resistance and support right here, this massive box, and once we break this box as well, then it's going to go absolutely crazy, and I don't see a reason why we can't go back all the way to equal highs right here at $29,000. That will be a massive run from this level, more than $4,000, but I don't see a reason why it's not going to happen. All we need to do right now is break out of those massive volume levels we have of course right here, and once we break this, it's going to go parabolic, and you want to be in a trade. That's why I need to go to the first link in the description and claim up to $30,000 in the post bonuses. That's absolutely crazy, guys. But yeah, we also have some big news actually today, the day that I'm filming this on right now, because we can see that September 13th, which is today, we are getting the CPI. Just the CPI we're getting, of course, will cause a lot of volatility. So yeah, we have to see how the market's going to react to that. But if it's even slightly bullish, I'm expecting a massive drop, massive pump, of course, for Bitcoin. Sorry, a massive pump for Bitcoin, which is going to be crazy. We can also see that the crypto funding rates are going through the roof. They're all negative right now, which is of course pretty bullish for Bitcoin, because it means shorts have to pay longs, which is of course always bullish for Bitcoin in my opinion, and that's just what most of the time also happens. So yeah, I don't see a reason right now why Bitcoin won't pump like crazy. This is really bullish. Like I said, all we need to do is break this massive box we have been trading in for so long, and once we do, it's going to go para-freaking-bolic. That was the video for you guys today. If you learned something from this video, highly appreciate if you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, guys. I would really appreciate it. YouTube doesn't push crypto videos as much, but you can help me reach more people by simply liking and subscribing, guys. So yeah, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next crypto video.